All right, in this video, I'm going to go over an SAT problem that's considered hard, but I think once you know the concept, you're not going to find it that difficult. It says the frequency distribution above summarizes a set of data. Actually, mine is below here, where A is a positive integer. How much greater is the mean of the set of data than the median? Is it A0, B1, C2, or D3? All right, so I want to look at the table. And if we look at the value of 3, we have a frequency of 3A. But look at what's happening on each side of 3. With our values less than 3, we have a value of 2, which is 2A, and a value of 1, which is A. And that is the same for the values greater than 3. So 4 is 2A, and 5 has a frequency of A. So what we're dealing with is a symmetric frequency distribution table. If it is symmetric, the mean and median have to be exactly the same. So how much greater is the mean of the set of data than the median? Answer has to be A0. Thanks for watching.